Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin with essentials. Make sure the phone has enough charge and the system is updated, because accessibility services act system-wide. Now open Settings, go to Accessibility, find TalkBack and toggle it on. Once done, TalkBack will speak focused items. You'll use single tap to select and double tap to activate. Make sure to try two-finger scrolling immediately so you don't get stuck trying one-finger gestures that won't work while TalkBack runs. Once TalkBack is on, you should customize how it behaves so it fits your speed and preferences. Go into TalkBack settings to change speech rate and verbosity. Slower speech helps new users. Higher verbosity announces more UI details. Make sure to enable helpful features like gestures, keyboard shortcuts, and Braille support if needed. Practice core gestures. Swipe right or left to move focus, double tap to activate, and two-finger scroll for pages. Adjusting these to finish setup, test navigation in core apps like Phone and Messages so you confirm gestures and speech match your expectations. If you need to turn TalkBack off quickly, go back to Accessibility or use the hardware shortcut, Volume Up plus Volume Down Hold, if enabled. If TalkBack becomes unresponsive, reboot the phone and reopen accessibility settings. Corrupt settings or a temporary service hang often fixes with a restart. If problems persist, reduce verbosity and recheck gesture training to avoid accidental inputs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.